Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online without investment in 2020. So if you're looking for a way that you can make some good money online and you don't really have much or anything at all to invest, then in this video I'm going to be going over what I believe is hands down the #1 way that you can make money online without having to invest anything up front. So if you're excited for this video as much as I am, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, because I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis, Monday through Friday, on how to make money online, how to grow an online business, how to do affiliate marketing. All that type of stuff is right on this channel. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. But without further ado, let's get right into things. Alright, so right off the bat, I'm going to assume that if you're watching this video right now, you're probably very well familiar with affiliate marketing. If you've been following this channel specifically, you know that I've often made videos about, the Amazon affiliate program, how to make money on Amazon, how to, promote ClickBank products. I've talked about, this marketplace a lot, but I want to first go over what this video is not going to be. This video is not going to be me saying, okay, sign up to ClickBank here, create a free account, pick an offer on ClickBank, and then go on Facebook and start spamming this link all over the place. That's not what I'm going to be recommending in this video. I mean, you technically can do it that way, but I'm not going to recommend that you go about it that way. So what I'm actually going to be talking about is something very similar to affiliate marketing, and it's known as launch jacking. Now, what exactly is launch jacking? Launch jacking is pretty much the same concept as affiliate marketing. You're pretty much selling other people's products. You earn a commission when you, of course, refer a customer. However, with launch jacking, what you're doing is you are finding products that have not been yet released in the marketplace, and then you would then promote those offers right there. Now, the reason why I'm recommending this is because with products that aren't necessarily launched yet, there's much less competition. And when the product actually gets released, then there's going to be a lot of people, searching up reviews of that product. And if you have a review out there, then it's a great way that you can actually get lots of traffic to your affiliate link without having to, spend money in advertising, without having to have much competition. But I want to exactly answer, okay, how exactly would you find products that have not yet been released? Well, I want to recommend 2 sites you could visit. One of them is called muncheye.com. And the other one is called JV Notify Pro. Now, between these 2 sites, I personally prefer Muncheye because I feel like it's a bit better organized. But right here, it gives you like 2 little columns here. We've got, the big launches, and then there's all the launches. So any products that are listed in this left category right over here, these are all products that when they get released, there's going to be a lot of people doing, they're going to be looking for reviews of it because they want to know whether or not the product is legitimate. So, for example, right today, as I'm recording this video, it is March 2nd, 2020, and it shows like tomorrow, Internet Marketing Wealth Builders WP Smart Links. This is a product that's coming out tomorrow, actually, on Warrior Plus, and it's going to be selling for around $27 to $37. And then it'll pay out a 50% commission. So, for one single sale of that, you can probably expect to get about, $10, $12 or something like that, somewhere around that amount. There is this Fade Black offer. It's going to be a $47 product. We've got one on March 10th that's coming up. Ryan Phillips Interactor Evolution, which will be selling for $67 right there, and will pay out a 50% commission. So there's a whole bunch of offers you could, of course, go through. I even see one here called by Donald Wilson called Auto Store. It's going to be selling for $2,000, and it's going to sell. It's going to give 40% commission. So for one sale of that, you're making almost $1,000 right there. So let's say that you wanted to promote this offer right here, right? What you could do is you could open up this link, and not all the time you'll see this, but in most cases you will see that they have a JV page listed. So in this case, it looks like they have one. So I'm going to click on that real quick. And this will take me to where you could actually check out the offer right here. So here is where you could, of course, learn more about what this product is going to be all about. So we've got, the sales page here. In most cases, they have a video, which is about, like 2 minutes there. So you could, of course, watch this video, and it'll kind of explain more about what it's all about. Let's see that. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't really look like it's, looks... Anyways, yeah, you could just watch that all the way through, learn more about, what this offer is going to be all about. And then in most cases, at the very bottom of the page, Okay, so like, it shows another video like who the offer is for. It shows like the benefits of like, like if you promote this offer, these are some of the benefits. Or I guess, like information on what the product's all about. But if you scroll all the way down, all the way down to the page, in most cases you will see where you could actually contact one of the members here. So in most cases, it's either the owner of the product or one of their like, representatives or something. So in this case, it looks like it's this Kayla person right here. And you could either reach out to her on, through email or through Facebook. So what you want to do is you want to reach out to them, either on email or on Facebook. I would probably recommend Facebook because they probably check that more often. And you could send them a message through Messenger. You could send them like a personal message, and you could say something along the lines of, "Hey, I just found the product that what's his name, Donald Wilson is going to be releasing called AutoStore. Really looking forward to learning more about that and potentially testing it out myself." And then you could say something along the lines of, "Would you be open to providing me with a free review copy?" So in a lot of cases, not all the time, but in a lot of cases, a lot of these vendors will be willing to provide you with a free review copy. So you could actually test out the product yourself, and then you could decide to review it either on a website or a YouTube channel. So I'm going to recommend that once you have an offer that you could, of course, promote, what you want to do is you want to ideally be building either a website of some sort or a YouTube channel. These are really, I'd say, the best two ways of really going about this. So if I see, like, the product that we were just looking at was called AutoStore by Donald Wilson, right? So I could actually go into YouTube right now, and I could search up AutoStore by Donald Wilson. Right, so this is what I was looking up. This is what we were just looking at right here. So if I look up the offer, let's see if we can find some information on what it's about. Let's see if there's any reviews out of this yet. So it doesn't look like I could see much currently. We've got some like completely unrelated results. I'm gonna try looking up AutoStore review. Let's see if we get anything here. AutoStore review. Let's see if we got any information. AutoStore review. Okay, so it looks like there's one video here. It looks like this is kind of, I'm assuming that's like the sales video that we were just looking at. AutoStore logistics. So as you can see there really isn't that much information on this product right here. So you as an affiliate for this product, you have a major advantage because if you can get a review out of the product before it actually gets launched, then by the time it actually gets launched and there's, a whole bunch of people looking up information on, how to, I don't know, like what is this product about? Like what's, is it worth picking up? If you have a review of that product, it's going to put you at a massive advantage because people are going to be watching your video, and considering that it's a product worth buying, you give it a good review. You go through it, you explain what it's all about, and then at the end of your video you could say, hey, if you were interested in picking up this offer for yourself, then you could check out the first link down below, which will give you access to instant access to this offer right here. And anyone who watches your video can of course decide to check out the offer that you're promoting. So this is like the only video so far here, but it looks like it's not even I don't know, actually I'm not entirely sure if it even like is going over the product, but there's a really good channel that I want to recommend here that you check out by the name of Jono Armstrong. So this guy pretty much set up an entire YouTube channel where all he does is he pretty much finds products that have not been released yet, and he pretty much makes reviews. So what I would recommend doing is checking out this channel right here and looking at some of the reviews that he's of course made. And you could of course, you could take notes, you could learn from, exactly what he's doing. One other thing that he does in his videos that I would highly recommend considering is he provides bonuses to people who buy the product from him. Because, I mean, let's face it, chances are you're going to have at least some competition with the product that you're promoting. I mean, it's not like you're going to have, like no one else promoting it altogether. Chances are there are going to be other people, a few other people promoting this as well. And in order to actually get the sale, over everyone else, you want to, of course, provide your own unique angle. And then you also want to provide something of value to people who decide to pick up that offer. So you could look at any of the different reviews he's of course posted, and I know that he often sells his bonuses as well, where you could of course buy it and then you could sell those bonuses as well as your own bonus. So that's pretty much what the entire strategy of course goes over. And the last thing I want to mention is exactly how would you go about making these types of videos. So most of the products that are on muncheye.com, are primarily like in the form of like digital products. So it's like things like trainings, there's software, there's different tools that people would of course use to grow a business online. It's mostly products in that make money online / online business type of niche right there. So what you'd want to do in order to create a review video is, ideally what I would recommend doing is getting some sort of screen recorder on your computer. Now, there's plenty of ones that you can, of course, pick up. The one that I personally use for these videos is called Screencast-O-Matic. This is what I use here, screencast-o-matic.com. You could even see some of my other videos, which are, chances are they're up on my channel by this point at the time that you're watching this. But Screencast-O-Matic is actually one of the screen recorders that you could actually get for free. They do have a paid version, which I'm currently using, which of course, they offer more features. But if you want to start, recording your screen for free, you want to start creating these reviews, then you can check out Screencast-O-Matic right here. You can get it for free. And then, I know there's even like other ones, like I know Windows has a screen recorder. If you press the, the Windows icon on your keyboard and the letter G, I think it'll give you like, let's see if it pops up here. Sometimes it takes a second. I don't know if it still works, but I know that Windows had like a, let's see if I try it again. Oh, it looks like it's popping up. I don't want to go live here, so I'm going to click on the X right there. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to cancel that as well. Okay, now I'm back. So yeah, I didn't want to do that, but yeah, that's, as you can see there, that's another way that you can, of course, record your computer screen. But what you want to do is you want to create review videos of products that have not been released yet, and then by having them on your channel, you target keywords like name product plus review. Is those keywords are going to be very, very easy to rank for. So that's pretty much the entire strategy that I want to go over in this video. If you got value from this, I'd really appreciate if you gave this a thumbs up, because it really does help the channel, and I'd really be interested in hearing your thoughts in the comments down below. Is this something that you are planning on actually trying out yourself? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. But if you want to learn more about how to make a passive income online, if you want to actually build an online business that will allow you to earn from multiple sources of income, which is really what I recommend going for in the long term, then you could check out the very first link down below, and that will give you access to a free training that will pretty much go over how to leverage an ecosystem that will pretty much allow you to earn from multiple streams of income. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.